Hi everyone, Kate and Ella here from Indigo Blue. It's been a tumultuous day today. We've just found out recently, a day ago, that our publishers who publish and print our magazine Box Kit have been selling it below recommended retail price, and also the die that they made for us, which is exclusive to us, they shouldn't even have it. They've been selling that as well, lower than recommended retail. In fact, cheaper than we can buy it at. And we're really, really upset about this because we respect our customers and we want to get them the best deal possible. And we don't make a lot of money on this bundle at all. And it's really upsetting to find out that they've been selling it cheaper. Because it makes us look as if we're ripping you off, and we're really not. We're not in control of this at all, and we have been constantly in touch with them to get this rectified, and we don't know why it hasn't been. So you can no longer buy it from them at the moment, but
our customers mean a lot to us. We're a really small family business. We appreciate every single order we receive. So it really affects us that people would feel we are undercutting our customers or ripping you off, because we're not. We give you the best price and the best value of products, and we really put all our heart and soul into everything. So yeah, I'm sorry, but we really appreciate your loyalty and your love for our products, and we hope you can understand and still support us and love us and everything we've got coming up, because we do it for you, for our customers.
yeah, it is a small family firm, and there's only a few of us, 5 of us here, so we're not a big company like the publishing company who have done this. We are trying to sort it out, but the damage has been done, and we just want to apologise for that. Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you.